Okay, so how can you add a new mail in MacBook? Let's get into it. So, there are two ways how you can do this. At first, you can begin by using the System Settings app of your Mac, which encompasses essentially every single setting, but you can get in here and on the main panel, scroll down below, and you can find the Internet Accounts section. When you tap on this, you'll be able to see the list of your currently added accounts, which might include mail, contacts, calendars, and notes, depending on the account, of course, but you always have the ability to tap on Add Account and you'll be able to add a new one. So you have a suggestion at the top from, the one you've been using a lot with your web browser and whatnot, but you can also just tap on iCloud, Microsoft, Google, Yahoo, and even more. So if you have other things you might want to add, you can go ahead and do that if you wish, right? So this is one way or one approach. On the other hand, if you want to add it specifically into the mail application right there, you can open it up, and by default, if it's empty or if you haven't added anything, it will ask you to choose a mail provider. But if you already have something added, you can tap on the mail icon in the top left in the tab bar and proceed to the settings. And inside of the accounts, you again can see the list of all of the added ones, plus the plus button at the bottom to add a brand new one. So you can add as many as you wish, of course. And this is how you can essentially just add and log in to or add a new mail in your MacBook. Outside of that, you can also download a third-party mail provider from the App Store, something like the Blue Mail or some other app where you can similarly add your email accounts, but that's like a separate platform. Now, that's it for me. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and found it useful. For more content and similar videos like this one, do not hesitate and just subscribe so you can always see future videos similar to this tutorial. So yeah, we can see each other later.